I have this problem that whenever I leave my house, an important package is delivered while I'm away. Or maybe when I'm home, the delivery guy just doesn't even ring the doorbell and leaves my new stuff on the porch. Today I received a new product that might just solve all my problems. It's a new doorbell with some features which I was not expecting to see. And these changes are important because they are raising the bar for smart home techs. So, stay with me to check this doorbell together. The new doorbell looks amazing. It's very symmetrical and clean looking, but the new features make it really stand out. This is a 2K HD video doorbell that can detect and record movements and allows you to see what's outside your front door whenever you want. When it comes to motion detection, you can have it with activity zone and customizable alarms. That means you can only get alerts of the area that you care about and filter unnecessary notifications and perceive the difference between person, package, animal, or vehicle. Of course, you need to purchase a awareness plan for that. One of my biggest complaints about cameras or doorbells with cloud storage is when the internet goes down, you'll miss that video. But these doorbells have local storage too. So if your internet is down, it can still record events and you might not miss anything. You just need a pin to access the SD card slot. You can use up to 128 GB SD card, which I think is about 10 days of 24/7 recording. The body of the doorbell is actually polycarbonate plastic like most doorbells are, and we have two mounting plates, screws and wires. They provide a chime in the box. It's a nice chime. You can change the volume and choose from different sounds, but maybe some people prefer to use their Amazon Echo devices to announce when someone presses the doorbell. So yes, it is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and one doorbell can connect to multiple chimes so you won't miss the ring in any room. Although if someone rings the doorbell, your mobile phone will ring too. The use of mounting brackets is actually optional and they are supplementary. If you need to see images from different angles, you can use the 20-degree left and right inclined bracket or 10-degree up and down inclined bracket. Although the vertical field of view, that means 4:3 aspect ratio, is designed to see people from top to toe, and a broad viewing angle helps you to see more. It has a rechargeable battery built inside, and this will open up the door for many more people to use them, since you don't need to have a wire doorbell, and it allows you to place the doorbell in the ideal spot for the best viewing angle. Battery life will always vary depending on how much activity it sees. The estimates that it is 5 months seem lower than other devices out there, but honestly, they might be more realistic compared to other companies. What's nice though is that even if you choose to wire the doorbell, its batteries can be used if the power goes out. In other words, if the power and internet go down, this doorbell can keep recording. This is very important for security. Of course, it also has other features you would expect from a doorbell like infrared night vision and two-way voice. And the sound quality is actually good, unlike some other doorbells that sound like a robot. This is the infrared night vision, and at the same time I'm testing the voice quality. Now, let's see the performance of the doorbell in real life, like how quickly it can view who's at your front door or how clear the footage is. Its notifications show up fast and the video feed pulls up rapidly after clicking on the notification. There is very little latency when viewing it live, within about a second or less. It also starts recording when motion is detected, much faster than I expected. As I walk around the corner to drop off a package, it's able to capture me as it's still walking up to the door. As I mentioned before, there is a hole on the top, and with a pin the plate separates from the body. And on the body sides we have power button, cable port and SD card slot. If the body stays separated from the plate, the anti-theft alarm sounds. So, let's see the anti-theft properties. Anyway, if you have used any other security products, let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget for subscribing and hitting the bell icon, cause I will introduce many more security products really soon. I'll see you next time.